We get the female ends for our poles with a nut in them, but this is how we prefer them. Not that the fraction of an ounce between this bolt and these pop rivets make that much difference, but it makes it a nicer package for us. We don't need to worry about the bolts loosening up. We don't need to worry about this slight protrusion snagging on things or making it a tighter fit inside of our tubes. But basically what we do is we slide it over, drill a couple holes, put the pop rivets in, and we're good to go. Okay, this is how there's the drilled hole. Watch out for the fiberglass dust. It can be itchy. See if I can get this pop rivet in there. Sometimes it takes some wiggling to get it to set in. Something I've noted as a, I guess I would call myself a seasoned professional, when using some of the equipment that has been on some of the trucks for a while, I find that when you're trying to use the saw, there's a lot of slop in it, a lot of wiggle, a lot of wasted energy and motion. And by identifying the poles that have loose connections, rivets or bolts, and pulling them off, you can rotate this, insert another fastener, and be ready to go. It can be very discouraging being one of the guys in the field working with this type of equipment. So do everybody a favor and find those not ideal tools, those things that aren't as good as they could be, and help yourself or your guys out by fixing them. It's as simple as grinding off or taking a small drill, drilling out the center of the rivet if that's what it is, then a punch to knock it through, or if it's a bolt, grind it off if you can't unscrew it. That's one of the things that we work on to try to keep things so that we can enjoy our jobs as much as we can with the least amount of frustration. Thank you for watching.